What's up guys, this is Masi, welcome to my channel. In this video I have another stoichiometry practice question. It's relating the number of moles of reactant and product. Practice number 2. How many moles of O2 are produced from the decomposition of 1.76 moles of potassium chlorate? The reaction we have it here and it's balanced. 2KClO3, which is potassium chlorate, decomposed to produce 2KCl plus 3O2. Double check if it's balanced. We have oxygen 6 here, 6 here, chlorine 2 and 2 here, potassium 2 and 2. Great. So now we have the coefficients 2, 2 and 3. So we need the relationship between oxygen and potassium chlorate. So if we decompose 2 moles of potassium chlorate, we will produce 3 moles of oxygen. Now how many moles of O2 are produced if we decompose 1.76 moles of potassium chlorate? X. So we can use cross multiplication. We can say 2 times x equals to 3 times 1.76. 2 times x equals to 3 times 1.76, which gives you x equals to 3 times 1.76 is 5.28 divided by 2 will be 2.64 moles. That's the number of moles of oxygen produced if we have 1.76 moles of potassium chlorate. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment if you have any question and I get back to you as soon as possible. And please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you.